Do you know many people are having trouble with their Dell Inspiron 1545 not charging? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check connections. Ensure the AC adapter is securely connected to both the laptop and the power outlet. Check for any damages on the power cord and the adapter. Step 2. Inspect battery. Turn off the laptop, remove the battery, and plug in the AC adapter. If the laptop powers on, the battery might need to be replaced. Step 3. Examine port. Inspect the charging port on the laptop for any debris or damage. Ensure the port is clean and the connector fits snugly. Step 4. Reset power. Turn off the laptop, unplug the AC adapter, and remove the battery. Hold the power button for 15 seconds, then reinstall the battery and plug in the adapter before turning it on. Step 5. Inspect PSU. Check the laptop's power supply unit, PSU, to ensure it is functioning properly. If needed, carefully disassemble and inspect or replace the PSU. Step 6. Check motherboard. If the issue persists, disassemble the laptop to check the motherboard for any signs of damage or malfunction. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the charging issues with your Dell Inspiron 1545. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.